Hi, I'm here to unbox the Maxipro high pressure washer. I bought this at Santa Cruz, Raon. It's 3,000 pesos. I bargained it. I got it for 2,800 pesos. Let's see what's inside. Okay. This is for the shampoo. Then the pressure gun. The pressure hose. Need some accessories. I don't know yet how to or where to put that accessories. Okay. Some part of the gun, some documentation, instruction manuals. It's worth reading it, guys. Okay. The pressure washer itself and some extra nozzle. Let's move this on the side. Okay. I've been using the Bosch, the one from SM selling it, and it suddenly broke. After 2 years, it broke. So I think it's time for me to try different brands. So I picked this one, and according to the seller, it's better than the Kawasaki. Nowadays, the Kawasaki water pressure, pressure washer is quite prominent because of the riders who bought it, and it's quite cheap. But same as this one, it's also 3,000 as far as I know. So, and then the seller told me this one is better than Kawasaki because of the motor whatsoever and the warranty itself. So there you go. This is the Maxipro pressure washer. I give it a shot today and give you feedback. How does it work, right? Thank you guys. Again, 3,000 pesos from Santa Cruz, Raon. Thank you.